This was the $100 win. We took live account, all that good stuff. Um, that took this in the PM trade. Let's talk about a couple things. So I'm going to talk about Overflow, all the good stuff. We do stream live, free in the Discord. Jump in there. You want to see this stuff live. This one I did take a PM session because I took a dub in the morning session on the funded account. But let's talk about like y'all like you realize what's happening. Like this is just $100 win, right? It's cool. That's great for this account. It's actually a lot, but I don't even care. It is easy relevant. It's more of the principle and the fact that what I'm trying to trade, what I'm trying to do. It's the principle of me buying at the new week opening gap, me put my stop loss below here, me aiming at this new day opening gap, watching ES with this shoot up, all that good stuff. It's the principle of me trying to get comfortable putting live money in, whether it's funded account, this account, wherever, is really irrelevant. The price, how much we won or how much you lose, is more of the idea of like, are you comfortable losing on your own terms? Are you trading the model that you see fit? And that's what's really I'm trying to like really focus on. I think a lot of people focus on getting upset that it's not a lot of money, or if it is a lot of money, or stuff like that. Like this could easily be a $15,000 trade. Like that's what I'm telling myself. This easily is a $15,000 trade. And if this was on a funding account, this would be a $3,000 trade. Like it is all more realistic of the what ideas and the principle I'm trading, and understanding that, and that's what I'm trying to get to. Because I know this is just a stepping stone of just being able to trade real money in real time and stuff like that, and try to like really influence the trade or have an idea of what I'm looking for. But again, I just wanted to motivate somebody like thinking like little small wins like this. Like if you come into trading, like there's nothing wrong with this. You know what I'm saying? Like $100 in 18 minutes. I mean, what else are we doing? Or 15 minutes? Like what else? Like what else you want? Like that's just decent. You know what I'm saying? There's not nothing wrong with it. And it's these little payouts that you can start doing, and I think a lot of people need to encourage each other in this trading community. Talk about that a little bit more, but like I said, they don't. So I just want to talk about it. So right here, I'm buying at this breaker. I wish I had Bearfield maybe somewhere from here, but again, the idea is we're buying at new week open the gap. That yellow right here, buying at this breaker, and then I'm just waiting for the trade to get up a little higher, and then you start seeing me adjusting stop. But the idea was we was bullish for the day. Again, I took a dub somewhere up in here, and I was aiming back up. We're in the PM session. This is coming at the 130, 134 macro. So that 120, 140 macro start 130 or start PM session. And we're just looking for it to spool up. Once I saw this, I think it's going to be another candle extension. I want to start dragging the stop up. Because I don't want to see it come back down to that. And I got to remind myself this too. And as I'm trading this, I'm talking about some real time. This is how my risk reward works. I don't know if it works for me. I like it. I need to trust it more. That's my only problem. I gotta trust it even more because it's really sound logic. I gotta trust it more. Do you see how my risk initially was a one, almost a little better than 1-to-1? Majority of times, out of 10 trades, if I trade in the right direction, all that good stuff, blah blah, eight out of 10 trades, I will be able to decrease cost within like 4 minutes of a trade. Like I should be able to decrease costs because then it's going to step, do all the stuff do, and then it's going to like start moving in my favor. Once it starts moving in my favor, this thing is easily what I don't know what this is, 1-2, 1-3ish, 1-2ish, 1-3, something like that. And I gotta remind myself, me personally, is the way that I trade is it's going to look like a 1-to-1, a 1 to 1.5 in the very beginning of the trade, but majority of times I will be able to cut cost as the trade's in my favor. You can see I went down to the 1 minute. I put in my new week opening gap. I saw this breaker, and on 1 minute, if I go back and pause it real quick, you can see that's what I'm looking at, this breaker right there. So I'm looking at that breaker right here. High, low, high, rip down, rip back up. Oh, excuse me. High, low, rip up. Let me back up. Low, high, low, rip up. So I'm extending this down close this up close candle right here. And that's what I'm telling myself in my mind. Like, this is a breaker. My bad. So yeah, we're going here. We're looking at this fair value gap. I'm not looking for that as lower. I'm looking for it to continue to go higher because this was all times highs. So again, anybody trying to short this, I'm looking for it to fade there. Actually, I'm looking for it to continue, keep pushing higher. It's all time highs. US 30 shot to the moon. This is SP 500 shooting to the moon, and yeah. So I'm just gonna keep on speeding this bad boy up because it's as fast as it can. That's me going down to the inversion fair value gap, and should see it start pushing up higher. Like I said, that's what I was just looking at. I want to see us get above that version for Vega gap. If I'm not mistaken, once I get above that version for Vega gap, that's when I put that break even. I'm pretty sure that's what I did. Like I said, this trade was Wednesday. So seeing that, really like that order flow. Look at that order flow right there, touching that order block and then getting back out of there. That's what you really want to see signs of bullishness. I don't want to see us come all the way back down because we already did the manipulation. That was already here. This was, in its way, in my opinion, is AMD. Got manipulation, accumulation, manipulation, stop this people out, and now we're in distribution. So we got manipulation, AMD. So accumulation, manipulation was down, and distribution is what we were like literally targeting back up. So again, you can see that trade, like I said, don't want to make this video too long. I'm gonna back up a little bit. That's why I was telling myself I want to see speed right here. You can see we kind of got that speed right there. I saw it at this higher high right here, and like I said, I wanted to form SMT, so I'm 100% putting that break even. And like I said, we're just letting the trade run through. See if we can get this. So we get this TP. Kind of speeding trade up because I don't want to keep seeing here. So you can see we did the TP. Could took partials right there just in case we do SMT, but I was confident that we go a little bit higher. And biggest thing on this TP, I will say though, I'm getting out at this liquidity before at this rejection block, and I gotta show this. I have to show this because I hope it shows in this clip. You go see this. So exit the trade, yeah, it's good. With one, yeah, it's good. And the reason I did this is because it's always not gonna happen. The extra stab is not gonna happen, and I don't know if it shows it in this video. Okay, it doesn't show in the video. But if you go back to this day, I assure you that price went back down. Immediately back here. It ended up shooting back up, but it reacted off of this short-term SMT. So just a little sauce we might stay for the video. I always try to target internal liquidity because it's sometimes form SMTs, and then if it does, you're gonna see a strong reaction. It ended up going back up, but sometimes that's the whole move of it coming all the way back down. So again, this was Wednesday. You can literally check it 135, 140-ish. You can check it and you see what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's a trade breakdown, and that's it. I'll see you on the next one.